My people, I greet you now. Happy New Year. Now welcome to 2022. I dey happy say I see you now. See you now still there in good health and good condition. I dey happy say we on become. Now see our prayer, may God to keep us. May God say grant us our desires. I welcome una. Edo State Market Blog welcome una to 2022 officially. We know we start work this year because I need time to relax my body and all stuff, and a lot of stress and there and that, a lot of stress and this and that. Say happy New Year to una officially. Thank you for last year. Thank you for 2021. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for being there. Thank you for your support. For those who don't support me, thank you for what you don't do so far. For those who still get up for mind, thank you too. This new year, we want to start with full force. Those things we need to know, daily things like Smith and those things, we go to tell you now the price and all those market days and everything. When concern Edo State, we will try our best as God lead us. We will tell you. But this video, when you watch an important video, I want you to use this video to start this year. Before we take our building project and everything we do, we're gonna listen to this video. Those who share this video, go Facebook platform, meet the Facebook too. Edo State Market Blog, the Facebook too. Thereafter our Facebook will come up. The time is so because me not too much go Facebook like that, but Edo State Market Blog is still on Facebook. Share and go Facebook and other platforms. A very important message for our people with the diaspora, and also people who see the Nigeria too, who see the build house. So I know some of this information I want given us, so many of them know them, but some of them neglect them. But I want to use the opportunity to remember one again. Me not neglect them again. Because maybe if you happen to you, they cry, say, oh. See, that's what they do me, Make we take note. Make this not happen to us for with the reality. See. I will show you now one video like this now. Before I will show you the video, those who don't subscribe, make you subscribe. Make you share this video, give people, your friends, maybe the Europe or the builders, with the America or Canada or anywhere they did. May they take note about this information I want to give and what they start to say. I know one day person come money label that's it for Europe label feel beautiful flat. If you don't finish now, some bad day they go make her come spend double again. Understand me so? They come make her go spend what is over to finish. They go destroy her. They go come and spend double. Who can go spend double or some people spend past double of carelessness. So Muna listen to this video very well. You understand me so? And if you listen to the video, it's interesting to you. Share and give your brothers and sisters. May they listen to this video and may they take note. Even as they start this year until your video has finished. Take note for these things because it dey happen. It dey happen well for all communities. Don't point and say that one community where they happen, one community where they happen. It dey happen anywhere. When the place open, it dey happen anywhere. You watch this video, watch this show now. They catch one boy. He go one building, don't build finish. He go bust their POP. I don't know a mission whether I want TV wires or you want TV water heater because the house don't put water heater, don't put POP, don't wire them finish, they don't put ties. Now just painting and maintenance. Painting and maintenance I remain for the house. The man the person leave the house, they don't put water heater inside. He leave the house, he come out. So this video, they catch the guy as they don't bust the POP, don't condemn POP person do thousands of naira, some as they are big than million they don't have. The idiot go bust person POP. Thank God see the cash. You understand me so? I'm not going to mention the name of the community, you understand me? But that video we will see. Nobody tell me now what I might see myself too. So I tell also we will the builders. If you don't reach say the last stage, maybe electrical stage when you want to wire them and they want to put a heater, all those things when I want to put, I beg Moku dey do at the stage say close to say we want a parkenta. I don't be the advice one give now. See the video so. And the video now the side of this thing I watch. You saw the boy with the car show. So the boy see the ground they beat him when he go boss. You saw I say climb he boss the key, he destroy the POP for where they for put Bob. And they destroy the POP, enter inside. You tell me so. The mission. I not believe say don't complete the mission finish. I believe now wire and go destroy the wire finish. Thief audio cables. Come out. Then want do. But you know we can do those things for the catcher. So what I tell you now, if your site never reach completing level, some things no into this site. Especially those people when their site now never expose finish. The bush you fit pass on bush before you enter their site. Like tank, e no good because a thief tank too. All those big tank. Now tank the there. I believe so. When I see price of tank coming before my blog, then 3,000 liters is about now it could be 100, could be 100k if I go get the update. Because last when I did the update was 90,000 for 3,000 liters. While 2,000 liters was 50,000. What I give if I remember. So things don't there, sister, brother. No go spend times 2. It's one of our first video for this year. And just advise us who go take note. If we want to put those important things for our, especially those for we know are too strong, we see the money for that side. We not to get money. We just see the transport, more change come. People see the packages for us. For you to go to avoid spending twice. Save the money. Once the enter set, they will do the electrical work once. They will do the water heater once. You will pack it at your house. They will do the painting one. The 3 stages they easy. Painting, electrical, and this thing. They will fit tidying all these things once, if it is possible. And if you desire POP too, you also say the money. Those 4 things or do one once. They enter your course. If you do ask, you go abandon her for 1 month again. You put wiring, you have not for 1 month again. You stand the chance to lose those wiring because it happened to my family member. They spent close to 500,000. They go wire house again, 4-bedroom flat, 4-bedroom bungalow. In your wire the next day they enter. We know they enter pass come. They remove all the wire. The boss will buy everything. They clean all. They clean all. The information, the old format when they do these things, we don't know. Now that the trend. I believe many of them get this information before it happen, and it don't happen to some people with the diaspora. For the diaspora being here, they carry the wire, the thief, so their tank, the thief. So what I hit on the police as they break potato go collect. So door, so if door, they go break door, they thief door. So my dear, this boy break potato. If you see potato this thing, he break potato this thing. Key with the potato. You need to go destroy POP. You just send to toy. There are some things when we feel avoid if it is possible. There are stage of us when you all say, "My do one once." You are cookie go, you are workba, I was silao. One get. So that's what you just try to do things at the stage, like the early stage, because what they always steal from you is a wiring. When you don't wire your house, you need to go thief for your wire. You thief all. Imagine you wire house about. You buy material about a 500,000 depend on how the house be. Depending on how the house be, you spend money to buy material. If you don't be work, you get paid the guy when you do the work. They can't tell you see, so you wire. The next day, person clean your house, you connect your wire. How you go feel? Sister with the manage, if he has done day like 5 years, now do wiring. He can't finally do wiring. He can't see the dirty for the wire. You reason now. So we could take caution. If we get family member when they trusted, if you put a closed door, make yours package one flat inside, make it stay, then the wall do the wiring. So just package one flat, just put generator, make it stay first. Go your guy want to do one. There must be a solution there. There must be a solution. You know if you just apply the lost things like that. Especially you get money where you get money to bulldozer, you get money to. That's my first advice because I get complain way. People they call me, they get complain. So I want advice sooner to avoid this complaint, to avoid spending more than twice. Take caution. And many people never understand this blog very well. I was just from here talking. This blog will they give you sure material, give you for buy things directly. without say person know the kind of same person they do that, you fit buy directly. And at the time God now, say nobody don't say he go buy things for so place, they can't scam am, they don't give am what he buy. This year we know, this last year we no record down, and then this year we don't see record such, everything will go smoothly. Because people they call me say they go back. Not be me, not be my blog una for see do buy. Una go buy on that thing, on that place, or una go buy on that place. The thing no work for una they complain. This many of us now, I don't know how to describe una greed or stinginess. So I don't know how to describe them. Una take una own choice. Una choice can rob una later. Una dey complain say no dey spend money, no dey spend money. No, sometimes not your fault. Not your fault. Not your fault. Yeah, that's something you just think you sit down. Don't be rush. Don't be rush. This blog will help many people in the diaspora. So they call me, they testify, say, bros, thank you. So I want to, you don't make me do one. So I don't say so money. You understand me so? But because maybe you get your own personal, your own personal thing for men that I don't agree to, we don't self. This is so people don't take advice naturally. Don't take advice naturally. They want yours done the way. Then if you do your own way, they crash. You want the verse, say CCO, you go buy something, person cheat you go buy something, they do you like this, say you gonna rob everybody. Some of these things you do double things, say you plaster as not plaster and well, you build as so you roof roofing. Big clear they give you the fist you give look at 500 block, you go fist 200, you go take 500 the fist. You the one that are ask for the reach up, These are information they give now, one they know as it be. You build as they build. We know how many blocks they build to flat. Big clear the most dog they set. You know they reach up. You know what big clear they do. But because maybe you feel say you know or you know they take a necessary step, they do something. You just they do the verse say Nigeria put bad. Some of these fathers say family they do they all know they guy one but some of them now naturally. Una just I don't feel gonna say una dey I don't feel describe am. But I believe say this blog they help people. If you dey build that, say you want build that. If na this blog you dey follow, they get information you build your house without say your family not for criminal hand. You understand me so? But many people don't understand, and many people they go for victim, and they watch my video, they go take their own decision. They go for victim finish. They go write me back say, bro, don't vex so. See. Not to beg me. You know they pay me to do anything for you. I just put the blog there, help you, make it for builders. Because many for those they abroad many years ago, many for those they say they abroad, they don't fit build one toilet. This blog will help you. You fit build that from scratch to the ending. Without say you don't send money, give person say go buy cement, go buy wood. You will fit buy them yourself straight. They will take out to your site. This blog you feel in your big like you find you want go your site to if you work that day finish you send money give them everyday payment. You need to send money give person pay big clear when go scam you. What you need to do that big clear say person go count block. Block in office like yes, so for stop person stop yesterday when you can't. So go you so stay mark me the boy no know for stop. Cause some big clear they go clean VAT so mark last. Maybe so for no for start next day. So go you say mark somewhere. See, I can't treat you. Because next day if you want to start work, the big cannot go no sorry for mark. So that's what you say since they can't. So that's what it be. If you big want to start next day, if you can't fix 500, you give a 500 block when you fix the next day, and you pay for 500 block, you can't fix 300. And so I go cash out. Because maybe I saw you count 200 and 500 give and you can't count 200 and you go collect 500 money for your hand. And so I will call you the sister a block in Nikama a 200 you know man say 500. I too see and say that's what the information they be. You understand so? That's what the information they be. Share this video. Make una avoid to put expensive stuff for your uncompleted building. As when you build finish, no put expensive things inside. Especially those who builders who never open finish. As you say, who don't say they also open finish? Now no person they keep person. Your neighbor on there around you trust them. You know what they do. Nothing they do. Even neighbor of their family, nothing they do. At least move they try. I don't say sometimes some community they try. They see data, but to you avoid say I can't buy things double. You try. If you put your person inside the house, you do one small cleaner inside your one room. Sagbobo yala power, more gens power. It don't cost you anything. So you want to buy wire again. It don't cost you anything. It cost you buy flow and feeding for Sagbobo. May they stay the place. until for that week you run and finish. Your package one small room, we are fine. So well for Sagbo we all do observe your house for you. Simple as that, because people they spend excessive money they have to see these days. Maybe not get and they get them free. For me they get money I do like this. So if I go lost, I know IDB. So that's so now here we will drop the curtain. If any information a day about update of site, I think it's stiff of site, I think this for site, we'll still let them know. So for the now, we'll drop the curtain for here. Not put expensive stuff for your site. Like water heater. If you never reach to enter your house, no put water heater. You know they run. The fish when you don't see this, they see fish. You know they have to fish. The time so. Don't put expensive door, those entrance door. When you never reach to enter, don't put those expensive entrance door where they say 500,000 for the month. When you never reach to enter your house, those expensive door. Don't go put them. When you don't know say you want enter those Turkish door, those fan doors. When you say you want enter, say like 2 weeks I want enter, 3 weeks I want enter before you put those Turkish door. If you want put those door, you say the person must be around when you see the APD with the check on. 500k no be small money for door, for entrance door. So entrance door are quality Turkish door. So now that I want to tell you now. Entrance door expensive. Water heater, wiring. Now those 3 things I mean for trying to cancel. Like booting, you know, good when they thief for us when they don't do. Most that wiring, if you know where house, that first week your body will shake go the cash every day. Because now the attitude be that one. If you wire, I don't know the guy get agent to that is not where I'm go thief. I don't know who are agents who they spy when they sing, who do those things. So I beg sister, I beg brother. Now you will drop the curtain. For those who not show us love, I say thank you. For those who still to show us love, I say thank you too. At least when I see they watch our videos, I see one. I see my prayer. I see that project we don't start. That's we don't start. Me finish. See this video as the guy boss POP. Yeah, that's will not be you. So now my prayer be you complete your house in peace. You understand? So my joy. So put us say put them into shame. So that's for it today. Subscribe, support. We need some spirals on for this is market blog. Comment if you don't get any experience like that. Say they come your site, they go thief, tank or anything, they go thief. Comment. They put nothing at truth to the talk. You know, if you say maybe I carry can talk. Sometimes so comment. They put know what to talk about. But people now and the handwork with that one. See this video now. I wish I don't get this video now. If you say maybe I carry can talk. Sometimes so. I don't get the complaint over 4 months ago. When I don't get the complaint before that people said, was that's why I can't get the video where they beat the boy, catch the boy, let and dead. That's my show now. God bless you. Until I will soon again on our mission to go to give pride of Smith and other stuff. Remember bless. I love you guys.